السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Good morning grade 6. How are you? Today we will study lesson 4 of unit 11 and we will complete speaking about the reported question or reported speech. But before completing or before going to the rule and studying the rule, we will listen to the professor and Chip. Listen and read. Exercise number 1. Listen and read. Why can't Chip hear professor? Why can't Chip hear professor? You have to listen carefully. Listen to them.
Why can't Chip hear Professor?
Turn off your mobile phones.
What did he say?
He told us to turn off our mobile phones.
Please leave quietly at the end of the show.
What did he say?
He asked us to leave quietly at the end of the show. Why don't you turn off your MP3 player?
Okay. You don't have to shout.
Yeah, listen again.
Listening 100. Listen and read. Why can't Chip hear Professor?
Turn off your mobile phones.
What did he say?
He told us to turn off our mobile phones.
Please leave quietly at the end of the show.
What did he say?
He asked us to leave quietly at the end of the show. Why don't you turn off your MP3 player?
Okay. You don't have to shout.
Okay. So, why can't Chip hear the professor? Why can't Chip hear the professor? Very good. Because he didn't turn off his MP3 player. Okay? Because he didn't turn off his MP3 player. Okay? Now go to our grammatical rule. Read and learn. Exercise number 2. Read and learn. Today we will take another thing about reported speech. Okay? We will study the commands and requests. Commands and requests begin with the verb. Okay? Like when I told you, do your homework. Be quiet. Don't speak. This like commands and please give me your pen. This is request. Help me carrying my bag. This is request. Okay? So commands and request begin with the verb. Look. Use told with reported commands. Direct speech. Reported speech. Turn off your mobile phones. He told us to turn off our mobile phones. Look, he put to before turn off. Okay? Next. Don't touch my computer. Don't touch my computer. This negative and this positive. He told me not to touch his computer. He told me not to touch his computer. Look, not to before touch, not to, instead of don't, not to. Next box, reported speech requests. Use asked with reported requests. So when you have a command, write or use told. Okay? When you have a request, use asked. Direct speech. Please leave quietly. Reported speech. He asked them, because this is a request. Okay? He wanted them to leave quietly. He asked them to leave quietly at the end of the show. Okay? So, if you want to change the commands from direct to indirect, you have to use the verb told. Then use to with positive sentence and not to with the negative sentence. If you have a request, you will use asked. Okay? Also to and not to with the positive and not to with the negative sentence. So the only or the difference between the commands and request, using the verb of speech or the verb of saying, told with commands, asked with requests. Okay, understand? Exercise number 3, read and write asked or told. Sit down, said the teacher. The teacher told the class to sit down. This is command. Okay, command like from a teacher to students. Okay, from a father to his son or his daughter. This is command. Number 2, please, can you tidy your room? Said Alan's mother. Alan's mother, this is please. Okay, it will be request. Here, request. So we will write asked. Alan's mother asked him to tidy his room. Number 3, don't eat the cake. Jane said. Jane space Ray not to eat the cake. Very good. Told. This is command, imperative. Okay? Jane told Ray not to eat the cake. Here, number 4. Don't talk, said the teacher. The teacher space the children not to talk. Told. Excellent. The teacher told the children not to talk. Number 5. Please, can you buy some milk? This is request. Said Jim's mom. Jim's mom asked him to buy some milk. Very good. Right here, asked. 6. Turn off your mobile phones, said the guide. Turn off your mobile phones, said the guide. The guide space the children to turn off their mobile phone. What? Very excellent. Told. Because this is command. Exercise number 4. Write the sentence in reported speech. Write the sentence in reported speech. He made first one, as usual. Turn off the TV, said Finn's mom. Turn off the TV, said Finn's mom. Okay? Finn's mom told him to turn off the TV. Number 2. Can you please listen carefully? This is request. Can you please listen carefully? Said the museum guide. So, the museum guide asked the children to listen carefully. Again, the museum guide asked the children, right here, the museum guide asked the children to listen carefully. Okay? Number 3. Please, can you sit down? Said the teacher. Please, can you sit down? Request or command? Very good, request. So, the teacher asked the class to sit down. The teacher asked the class to sit down. It's very simple and very easy. Okay? But you have to understand good. Understand all the things very well. Number 4. Don't be late, said Harry's mom. This is command or request? Don't be late. Very good. Command. So, Harry's mom, right, Harry's mom told him not to be late. Again, Harry's mom told him, right here, Harry's mom told him not to be late, because here begin with don't. We will join with not to be late. Harry's mom told him not to be late. Number 5. Tidy your room, said Maya's dad. Tidy your room, said Maya's dad. Maya's dad told, very excellent, told Maya or told her to tidy her room. Again, Maya's dad told her, right here, Maya's dad told her to tidy her room. Don't forget to change the pronouns. Number 6. Can you help me, please? Or can you help me with my homework? Okay, can you help me with my homework? This is request or command? Very good. It's a request. So we will use asked. Said Mark. Mark, very excellent, asked his dad to help him with his homework. Again, because it contains many pronouns. Me, my. Mark asked his dad, right here, Mark asked his dad, okay, to help him with his homework. Okay, understand? Very good. So this is the finishing of our lesson. Okay, I want you to go to your workbook to make more practice on the reported commands and requests. Okay, don't forget to go to your workbook and do the exercise there. Goodbye grade 6, and have a nice time. Goodbye.